Here we go. Here's the clearest view of the train I can get here at a family member's house here. And cutting grass down here at the riverbank. Cleared some weeds, and it hit my mind that this would make a dandy rail fanning spot here. And here comes a train right about now. And that's as zoomed in as she's going to get right here. Sorry if the camera's shaky. Bugs are out today. Let me get this camera straightened back up. I'm using a phone as a video camera right now. I got the best steadiness right now because I don't have a tripod to keep it steady. Can't afford a tripod right now. Anyways, well, here comes the train. Enjoy. What a treat right there. OAC 44. Itch. Bugs. Here comes a mid-DPU, I believe. Or is there? Maybe I just thought that. Man. What a fairly long train right here. My arms are getting tired here, holding my phone here, but it's all I got at the meantime. I think the end of the... What? And my screen went to sleep. Well, there you go, folks. I don't usually talk during my rail fanning videos here, but I thought this was a great opportunity here to share this, give a little detail here, since my first few rail fan videos, well, a couple of them weren't that great here at the family member's house. This is taken here at the same family member's house right here, everyone. I was cutting weeds right here, and let me zoom out my camera. Yeah, I was cutting weeds right there. Found this path right here, this little knoll beside the riverbank right here. That's going to be some good catfishing right there, but I'm not getting down there to cut the rest of them weeds by myself. I don't want to risk falling in to the river right there, because that's the show right there, and them rapids will drown you if you're not an experienced swimmer. Yeah, see that part right there? Why I don't want to get down there. It's pretty eroded off right down there. I want to take a chance of falling in right there. But here we go.